Here's the thing. I don't know what happened, but we just went down there. Severely down there. No idea why. Unless I just lost it for some reason. But our infestation of ants here is still running wild. Or termites, whatever they are. And well, basically. Oh, yeah, and what am I trying to say? Minitron's left the box of spare GoPro batteries in the bus. So what you see now is all you're going to see, because this battery's flat and it's going to go at any minute. But we've got to sort this out. The side stand's decided to come down. I don't know why the side stand's down, but we ain't picking it up with that down, so that's got to go. That bloody stand out. Don't worry about that. Let's get this bloody stand up, love. No, it's got to go. We can't lift the bike. Well, I'll try lifting the back of the bike. You try kicking the side stand in. So you come back up here. How the hell did we end up like this? I've got no idea. Oh, I have. It's because I'm a wally. There we go. There goes the stand. Right. Right, stop. Because no, stop. Because no, stop.
There.
Oh, all right. Hold on. Right, hold the wheel. I need the strap. Hold the wheel. Hold it, yeah. I need the strap. People laugh at me. Oh, what are you got them straps for, silly boy? Yeah. I'm proper stupid, I am. Oh, I killed some of them mushrooms, love. Right. Okay. Right, I think we'll do. Right. Change ends, love. You've got the front now. I'll pull back again. How many more of these things are there? The whole of this bike is alive with them. Can you take that off? Right, you got it?
Yes.
Right, hold on. Let's get it back on here again. Right. 3, 2, 1. Right. Right, I don't think the back is slide now. But you can go back there when I got it, alright? And just get this. Hang on. Hold on. There you go. Right, grab the back. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright, we're there. Right. If we're strong enough and we lift this, we can flip it over. Yeah? Right. I'm going to need a drink after this. I still can't work out. I can smell petrol again quickly. Oh no, we got to lift uphill. I don't know how we're going to do that. No, you're not going to lift from that. No, you won't lift from that side, not whatsoever. Now, it's too much of a slope. We're going to have to pull it right up on the top here. We're going to have to pull it right up, yeah, because we've got nothing to stand on that side. Straps again, love. Oh, actually, can you get on the back wheel with your hands? Alright, hold on. Wait. Right, me first. Okay, now you. I'll come with you. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Oh, my leg. That was my flipping leg. Because I ain't got boots on. Get off, for God's sake. They're doing my tits in now. See, you see all the mud going down. There's nothing for us to stand to pick it up. Let's try and pull the front. Hold on. You ready? No, come around the front. No, come around the front. Come around the front. Ready? That's it. Right, I might be able to get on the inside here now. Maybe not. Where's the chopper? Give me the chopper or cut a bloody step. God, everything's ripped off here. Pump's gone. Oh, straight through the seat. There's an ant in my ear. Get out! Oh, it should be a good foothold there. Take that love off my right arm. Right. Ready. Go. Bit more. Again. I got to stand up. Hold on. I've got to come up over the step. And right. What the hell? What was all that about? Right, I'm going to roll it. Hold on. I'm just going to roll down to here. I can see where I can put a stand down. All right. Okay. Second. Ooh. No. Hold on. No, I've got to come out the rain rut. Whoa. Right. Oh, good God. Right. I'm rolling it down here. It bottoms out here. Right. What's going on at the top here? The pump's gone AWOL. My phone's tried to fall out of the mount. Alright, he's back in. 3.5 kilometres! Right, love. Sorry about that, I don't know what happened. Oh! Oh no, that's coming out my airbox. Ah, Jesus, right, we've lost a lot of oil. Oh, fuck. We've lost a lot of engine oil. There's no two ways around that. Right, let's get this twig back out of here.
How many kilos?
3.5. Oh, the mosquitoes are back. Right. The tank's vented again. It's a good job I had that tube like that, otherwise it'd have been coming out underneath. Right. I think we're all go. Love. Oh, apart from the engine oil. Yeah? Yeah. Lovely. Oh, let's have a drink while I'm at it. You want a drink, love?
Yeah.
I feel like there's a fucking leech eating me. Oh, what the hell happened there, eh? Bit of excitement. Quite a bit of damage on the bike. 100 million termites. Oh yeah, lack of engine oil. Well, you got to get down there to check the oil. Oh, he's just going to have to... If it blows, it blows. Well, yeah, slowly, yeah. Yeah, I was just trying to get us home. I messed up. Oh, the bike doesn't feel right. What's going on? I think it must just be this dirt, love.